Here are 5 things you didn't know about Robespierre, the architect of the French Revolution's reign of terror. First, despite sending 16,094 people to the guillotine in just 1 year, Robespierre never personally attended a single execution. He orchestrated mass death from his office, signing death warrants like paperwork. Second, they called him the Incorruptible because he lived in a tiny rented room and refused all bribes while wielding absolute power over France. Third, this atheist revolutionary created his own religion, the cult of the Supreme Being, forcing fellow revolutionaries to worship his invented deity in elaborate ceremonies. Fourth, he was executed on the exact same scaffold where he had sent King Louis XVI to die. The very system of revolutionary justice he created became his own death sentence. Fifth, during his arrest, a pistol shot shattered his jaw, leaving him unable to speak his final words before the guillotine blade fell. He died in the same silence he had imposed on thousands of victims.